go into session. Okay. In this lesson, of course, here we are going to study equation of line or an equation of line in the coordinate plane and types of equations of a line and coordinate plane, the standard form, reduced form, and parametric equations of a line. We're going to study how to find the equation of a line passing through 2 points, equation of a line given a point and direction vector, and of course the intersection between 2 lines, the ideas that you already know. Right. To start by equation of a line and plane. When I say you have a line, straight line, and the point mxy is a variable point on this line, in order to write equation, as I said yesterday, equation of line D, it means you have to write a relation between what and what? Between what and what?
X and Y.
Between X and Y. Relation between X and Y. When you have to write equation of a straight line, it means that you have to write a relation between X and Y, where X and Y are coordinates of a variable point on the line. The standard form of equation of a line, standard form, will be ux plus vy plus w equal to 0. Plus w is equal to 0, where u, v, w are some constants, some real constants. Okay? Yani it is a linear equation in X and Y. This is the standard form of an equation of a straight line and the system, of course, in a plane. طبعا بكل exercise or كل الدرس اللي بتكون refer to a system OIJ. A point M coordinates X, Y, and the system OIJ. Right. Example. Let's say straight line D will be of equation 2x minus 4y plus 3 equals 0. 2x minus 4y plus 3 equals 0. This is the equation of straight line D. Okay. Now, if you are given the equation of straight line D, how to find the direction vector of this line? How to find the direction vector of this line? I'm going to consider 2 points on this line. I'm going to ask you if x equals 0, okay, or let's say point A with abscissa 0, find y. Point B of abscissa 1, find y. And then find the components of AB. If x equals 0, what will be the value of y?
-4.
No. 3.4. Replace. If x equals 0, replace. So you get 2 times 0 minus 4y plus 3 equals 0. Then what is y?
4.
3 over 4. Move 3 to the right side and then divide by -4. So you get y is equal to 3 over 4. So point A will have coordinates 0, 3 over 4. Right. Point B, if x of B is equal to 1, then 2 times 1 minus 4y plus 3 equals 0. Then what is y? What do you get? Solve it on your copybook.
1 over minus 4.
No, 5.
5 على minus 4.
5 over positive. إذا مش مقتنعين you will get 2 plus 3, 5, minus 4y is equal to 0. 4y to the right side, you get y is equal to 5 over 4. So point B will have coordinates 1, 5 over 4. Right? Right. What will be the components of vector AB? What will be the components of vector
1, 2 over 4.
x of B minus x of A, y of B minus 1 y of A. What did you say, Serene? 1 and
1 and 2 over 4.
which is 1 over 2. So it is 1 minus 0, which is 1, and 5 over 4 minus 3 over 4, which is equal to 1 over 2. That means that vector AB will have coordinates 1 over 2. Right? Right. Can I say that vector AB is a direction vector of line D? You have this line D and you have these 2 points AB. AB is a direction vector of line AB, right? Or of line D. Is that true? Vector AB is a direction vector of line D. Is that true? Yes or no, and justify.
Yes.
Why? Justify. It is true, but why?
لأن ال direction تبعهم upwards يمكن.
No. Because here AB are 2 points on the line. So if you consider any point M, which is a direction vector, when I say vector U in general, if you have a line D and vector U, U is a direction vector of line AB. If for any 2 points M and N on line D, vector MN and U have same direction, right? Right. If you consider now here any 2 points M and N on line AB, if you consider any 2 points M and N on line AB, can I say that MN and AB have same direction? Can I say that line vector MN and vector AB have same direction?
Yes.
For sure, because the points are collinear.
Yes.
Because the points MA, N, and B are collinear, then these two vectors have same direction. So for that reason, I can say that vector AB is a direction. So yes, AB is a direction vector of line AB, or sorry, of line D, because here A and B are 2 points on line D. Right. AB is a direction vector. If you consider vector S that has coordinates 4, 2, على بالكم من جبت 4, 2. Vector S and vector AB, do they have the same direction? Or let's say prove that vector S and vector AB, which have coordinates, that has coordinates 1 over 2, have same direction. How can you prove that vector S and vector AB have same direction?
Using x equal x prime and y equal y prime.
No, you mean x times x prime, x times y prime, and y times x
Yes.
prime. Good. So
Yes,
x
1
times
times
of
2
s
is
times
equal
y
1
of
over 2
AB,
times 4.
x of s times y of AB, it is 4 times 1 over 2, which is equal to 2. And x of AB times y of s, that's equal to 1 times 2, which is equal to 2. They are equal. This means that vector s, vector AB have same direction. Vector s and vector AB have same direction. So what can we say about vector s with respect to line D?
Belongs.
No, we don't say a vector belongs to line.
That is a direction vector of line D.
Direction vector, very nice. Is a direction vector of line D. And we are saying here that vector s, كيف جبتهم هلا من لك؟ Vector s and vector AB, they have same direction. Vector s and AB, they have same direction, not necessarily equal, not necessarily the same sense. ممكن يكون vector s but they have the same direction. And once vector AB is a direction vector of line D, then S will be also a direction vector of line D. And we said, if you still remember, if you have a line D, you have two vectors U, V, in which U and V have same direction. If vector U is a direction vector of line D, then also vector V will be direction vector of line D. لأنه طبيعي, if you consider here 2 points, M and U have same direction. U and V, they have same direction, then M and U and V have same direction. يعني vector V is a direction vector of line D. So this vector here I gave, which is vector S of coordinates 4, -2, is also a direction vector of line D. About the 4, -2, من جبته now? How did I write 4, 2? Guessing? By guessing? Here are the numbers. 4, 2. The opposite of the coefficient of y and the coefficient of x. In general, if you have the line D, ux plus vy plus w is an equation of line D, then the direction vector will be of coordinates -vu in general. If line D of coordinates or of equation ux plus vy plus w equal to 0, then vector S of coordinates -vu, -vu is a direction vector of line D. Is that clear? Any questions?
Yes.
So